Menine. Menine. Akira. Akira. Bom dia. Back in action. Sort of. Wah! Shuva! Wah! Moonshuva! How's Akira? Give Akira a little space, sweetie. Move. Akira wants maybe to lay down, sweetie. Sienta. Sienta. Boa. Sienta. Sienta. Why are you being difficult, sweetie? Senta. Senta. It's okay, sweetie. Oh. Which was your thumb? Walk? You good for a walk? Until half an hour ago, she was still very sleepy. Now she seemed to be a little bit better. She had one of these seeds. Grass seeds. The last time it was stuck in her nose, and this time it was stuck in her ear. Poor Akira. Yeah, she was already like shaking her head for a couple of days. I thought first she got stung. But no, it was a grass seed. So she needed to get, how you say, partially anesthesia. Because she wouldn't keep her head still. But we got it out. The vet got it out. I think she's okay. Still on some painkillers though. What's up, sweetie? You okay? All good? Almost all good. He's walking a bit funny. Yeah, as you see on the channel, we have a little bit less videos at the moment. That is because I also need to do other things. I'm quite busy with my normal job. And also we need to keep our health on track. Because otherwise we won't be renovating for a very long time. Need to engage in some social activity every now and then. But otherwise I'm here not seeing any other people. So yeah, I'm planning on doing a video now for a while for every other day. That should be doable. I hope to get back to the daily videos as soon as possible. But yeah, pretty busy by myself here. It's Fatima. Hola! Zoe ajudar. You can handle it? Zoe! Snacky! What are you doing in the compost? Trying to find her own snackies. No, 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 no. What an attitude. Yeah, you got it done already? Well,
Maria. Anda a cortar as ervas, vá. Ai, Jesus. Tanta vez que eu cortava, tanta vez que agora não sou capaz.
2/3 done. Maria was just here to keep me company. Kept me going for a little longer. Now I'm hungry. Don't know what this pipe is. What you doing? Oh. We have an automatic gate. Oh no, it's Sofinho. He knows how to open the gate now. Ciao, signor. We got our bread. This week the guy came on Wednesday instead of Thursday. Got some fresh produce also. Some apples. You want an apple? Lovely piece of bread to go with your pasta. Hi, Zoe. Little part to trim here still. Brambles are gone. 3 hours later. Yeah, I just wanted to see how it worked when I cut them by hand. I never cut or maintained brambles. The problem is when you with the blade you trim them, you still have to pick them all up because they don't really pulverize, like the grass. But I'm a bit wounded now. Yeah, the problem is not the big chunks of bramble. They come out pretty good. It's like all the small ones that go over the ground that you need to pull out. And it feels sometimes like it's like wire, like iron wire. But it's just bramble. Very tough. Ah, the pipe is just laying here. That's not very interesting. At least that's one property that's completely done. Still need to burn everything though. More blood. Ew. Those were not the usual guys from our local council. I recognize them by now. I think this was a hired help. Normally they also don't come with a tractor. And normally they clean it up. Now they cut it only. Normally they have like the blower thing. But it is all nice and cut. Also half of the cacti. Yeah, we need to do something about that one of these days. There's all smashed cacti here on the road. Did you see the tractor the guy had? It was not with the normal cutter with the chain. It was like with I've seen them in Holland a lot. Like with a separate thing. I think it goes like round. So yeah, the rest is up to us. Still a pretty big mess here. Slowly we're getting there. Still need to do the whole other land though. Tomorrow is a new day. Strange that they left it all like this. This is still our job. And that. What the fuck happened there? The guy drove into this land from here. Over the wall. What? I was wondering already how he was going to get onto this land. Through my land. They all went all the way to here? Oh, they also did this land. Ah. At least here it's a little bit cut also. Not all the way though.